Hello, all. This is Madhu from A3R3 Quandary, and today we'll be sharing a few facts about Mars, and hopefully, you don't know the most of them. So, let's begin. Mars has the most eccentric orbit of the eight planets. This means it has the least circular path of them all. On the hottest days of summer, the temperature could go as high as 20 degrees Celsius, and that happens very rarely. Many days of the year, nighttime temperatures remain around minus 78 degrees Celsius even in equatorial regions where it's supposed to be warm. 95% of the Martian atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide. Now, with that much CO2, why doesn't it get insanely hot? Well, it's because it has an extremely low dense atmosphere. It's so low that the atmospheric pressure is only about 1% of that found at Earth's sea level. 1% atmospheric pressure is what you would find at 35 kilometers from the Earth's surface. The freezing temperatures and low atmospheric pressure ensure that the water present in its atmosphere can never exist as a liquid, and yet, recent study has indicated that there may be liquid water just a few feet under the surface. Mars has a gravity that's one third of Earth's. If you weighed 100 kilos or 100 pounds here, then you would weigh only 33 kilos or 33 pounds on Mars. So the next time someone tells you you are overweight, point out that you are still underweight on Mars. And since the gravity is so less, Martian explorers will walk more slowly than they would on Earth, which also means they will expend less than half as much energy as on Earth to move an object. Mars has the tallest planetary mountain known to man. Mount Olympus Mons, which is a volcanic mountain, is 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers at the base, and is well over twice the height of Mount Everest, which is 8.48 kilometers. The Martian canyon Valles Marineris is the largest known canyon in the solar system. It is 4,000 kilometers long, 200 kilometers wide, and 7 kilometers deep. To put this into perspective, it would be almost double the distance between Kashmir and Kanyakumari. In other words, it could stretch from the east all the way to the west coast of the US and a tad bit more. From the values of the Valles Marineris, it's estimated that the Martian crust could be anywhere from 35 to 80 kilometers thick, which makes it slightly thicker than the Earth's crust, which is between 30 to 50 kilometers. It takes Mars about 24 hours and 40 minutes to complete one full rotation, easily making the Martian day the closest in length to an Earth day. In 2013, a Dutch non-profit company intending to set up the first human colony was looking for volunteers for a one-way trip to Mars. And guess what? It received over 200,000 applications, and the mission is due for launch in 2022. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it. And do subscribe to our channel for more informative videos such as this one.